Welcome to Audit Academy. I'm Hazel GRC Hub, and today we're kicking off our new series on mastering internal audit strategies. In this episode, we'll explore a fundamental question. What is an audit engagement, and why does it matter for organizations like yours? Get ready to dive in and build your audit expertise. Whether you're an audit student, a new professional, or just curious about how organizations ensure accountability, this episode is for you. We'll break down the basics, share real-world examples, and show you how audit engagements add value. Let's get started. What is an audit engagement? It's a targeted, structured internal audit activity providing independent assurance, advice, and insight to help an organization achieve its objectives. Audit engagements are planned to address specific risks or concerns. There are many types. For example, a control self-assessment helps teams evaluate their own processes. A fraud examination investigates potential wrongdoing. Advisory reviews offer expert guidance. Each engagement is tailored to the organization's needs. Common engagements include compliance reviews, checking if policies are followed, and consultancy projects, where auditors help design better controls. The focus is always on adding value and supporting organizational goals. Each engagement has a specific purpose, like checking compliance, investigating fraud, or providing advice. At the heart is value helping organizations operate effectively, manage risks, and achieve success. How do you ensure an audit engagement is successful? It starts with effective planning, the foundation of every audit. Planning sets the direction, defines the scope, and ensures alignment before work begins. A well-planned engagement maximizes outcomes and ensures resources are used wisely. The audit team identifies key risks, sets clear objectives, and allocates time and expertise where needed, leading to more meaningful results and greater efficiency. Good planning provides clarity, ensuring everyone understands the goals. It also maximizes impact, addressing the most important issues, and optimizes resources by focusing time and effort effectively. When planning is done right, the audit engagement delivers real value, helping organizations make informed decisions, improve processes, and achieve their strategic objectives. What happens after an audit engagement? The results can be transformative. Before, organizations struggle with confusion. Afterward, they benefit from clear dashboards and actionable insights. OD insights help organizations make better decisions. Leaders use findings to strengthen controls and support long-term strategy. Teams work together more effectively. Auditors help organizations thrive and grow. The value of audit goes beyond compliance. It's about driving improvement and building confidence. Ready to master more audit strategies? Subscribe to Audit Academy for more bite-sized episodes, expert tips, and real-world examples. Join our community of learners and take your audit skills to the next level. Next up, how to set strategic audit objectives. We'll show you how to define clear goals, align your audit plan with business strategy, and deliver even greater value. Don't miss it. Next up, how to set strategic audit objectives. Follow us for more audit mastery.